Let's learn and grow every day.
5 little witches in a haunted house, mixing up a potion, quiet as a mouse. They stirred and giggled, a dash of moonlight. Bubble, bubble, pop, what a spooky sight. Bubble, bubble, funny brew, green and purple sparkles too. For the ghosts and goblins near, a silly treat for Halloween cheer. One added eyeballs, rolling on the floor. One tossed in candy, then they added more. One dropped a pumpkin, round and bright. Swish, 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 what a wiggly fright. Bubble, bubble, funny brew, green and purple sparkles too. For the mummies dancing free, a silly drink for you and me. 5 little witches shouted, "Let's taste!" But the potion giggled, zoomed into space. It rained down sprinkles glowing in the air. Now the haunted house sparkles everywhere.